Akala niyo ba beauty pageant lang to? Wait until you hear her academic credentials. Madami tayong mga kandidata na magaganda. Madami ring kandidata na matatalino. Pero bihira ang parehong nasa highest level. This is Marian Arellano, representing Miss Universe Philippines Tarlac Province. Hindi lang siya yung basta-basta rumarampa sa stage. She walks with credentials. She graduated magna cum laude with a degree in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Ibig sabihin, consistent excellence with discipline and strategy. At sa pageantry, malaking bagay ang mindset na yan. Marketing graduate, alam niya ang kanyang branding. Alam niya kung paano dalhin ang kanyang sarili. At lalong alam niya kung paano mag-communicate with impact. Sa stage, graceful ang kanyang galaw. Polished ang kanyang aura. Pero kapag Q&A na, that's where she becomes dangerous. May analytical thinking kasi. May structure ang mga sagot. Hindi lang siya emosyon. May logic, may clarity, at may depth. Sa totoo lang, si Marian ang tipo ng kandidata na kayang pagsabayin ng elegance at intellect. She's not just competing for exposure. She understands positioning and she understands influence. At sa isang kompetisyon na hindi lang beauty ang labanan kundi substance, she has the academic foundation to back it up. Ito naman ang tanong ko sa inyo mga be. Handa na ba ang Pilipinas sa isang magna cum laude queen? Si Marian Arellano na nga ba ang susunod na Miss Universe Philippines? For me, when beauty meets brilliance, that's when a queen is truly unstoppable. What are your thoughts about this? Don't forget to leave your comments and opinions below. Tara, pag-usapan natin. And thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me for more. Bye!